ABC
Emotional
and
production.
had him do an interview for my Bon Appetit Caviar video. And how the hell we gonna do that, eh? ABC got security up their ass. You guys gonna hijack it, and we gonna do this interview via satellite. This motherfucker Ick is crazy. He wants to hijack the whole goddamn building just for an interview, for his caviar song. And what we supposed to do after we get the building? What you do is you go find Kelly, Regis and Kelly and Ryan, and then we do the interview.
Emotional Productions. Make what you need.
Ick, this is fucking crazy. All for a fucking interview? Yeah, that's why it's gonna work. Fuck you guys. Shit, Ick.
We've been studying his background here. We're going to get into it in just a minute. He's an actor, a musician.
Economic report. Economic report now.
Sorry. Calm down. I know, exactly. But Botox your thumbs. Take a break. We've been studying what's going on behind you here. We are theorizing that you're in a hotel. Are you in a hotel?
Yeah. The song is about fellatio. Yeah, it's about fellatio.
But you really are a brilliant writer. Can you tell us a little bit about this?
And you know, it's my new joint. It's caviar. Bon appetit. Real Dutch's song for my ladies. You know, dudes too. I mean, I kind of blended, I kind of leveled it perfectly. I call this the perfect song. I like this, one of my favorites. Yeah, I think it's perfectly crafted. It's about, I'll tell you how I eat my girl, I eat her up. I love her. I cherish her presence. I appreciate our existence on earth together. Tell you how she set me on fire, and how I set her on fire. How she really set me on fire one time without a match.
Oh no, on your crotch.
Yes,
Did you burn your crotch?
Smell like butter. Yeah, with the caviar video, we're gonna be introducing to you a whole new kind of restaurant.
Blow circles, feet up, leg vertical. Coming back in the drop, my driver, murky too. You know me, thing is I never heard of you, which makes it even better. Let's meet on the third or two. She said, "Leave me, daddy." She said, "It couldn't leave me, daddy." She said, "Leave me, daddy." Stop it. Get on my place. She said, "Leave me, daddy." She said, "It couldn't leave me, daddy." She said, "Leave me, daddy." Stop it.
My new single, Caviar.
Anything you want to add to this before we sign off?
Name of the song called Caviar, Bon Appetit. And you know, it's a real adultish song. sexy song, you know. And in the video, you're gonna be introduced into your whole new restaurant that you know I'm myself is planning to open. And you know, just keep moving the brand forward, you know. I'm planning to open the locations and how the city's moving. You know, the Caviar Club, restaurant.
Blow circles, feet up, legs vertical. Coming back at the drop, my driver, Mercy too. You know me, thing is I never heard of you, which makes it even better. Let's meet on the 32. She said, hear me, daddy. She said, they could hear me, daddy. She said, hear me, daddy. Stop it. Get on my place. She said, hear me, daddy. She said, they could hear me, daddy. She said, hear me, daddy. Get on my plate, she said, hear me, daddy. She said, they could hear me, daddy. She said, hear me, daddy, like you're starving and hungry. Like to play tricks, she said, hear me, daddy. She said, they could hear me, daddy. She said, hear me, daddy, like you're starving and hungry. Like to play tricks, she said, hear me, daddy. She said, they could hear me, daddy. She said, hear me, daddy, like you're starving and hungry.
Hello?
Hello, Eat Me Restaurant.
Yes. Yes, I'd like to make a reservation.
Okay, you do know what kind of restaurant this is, right?
Yes. This is the Caviar restaurant, the VIP club, right?
Yes, it is.
Yes. Yes, I'd like to make a reservation.
And how many people will you be dining with?
Just one. Yes.
Okay, you'll be sitting with a group, is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, and the name on this reservation?
My name is Ika. Yes.
Okay, Ika, you do know our restaurant is in a mansion, don't you?
Yes, could you put that reservation on the Firecrown?
Rothschild, see where to bring you all in. She said, Ika, you look awfully tasty. She said, hear me, daddy. She said, Ika, hear me, daddy. She said, hear me, daddy, like you're starving and hungry. Like to play tricks, get on my plate, she said, hear me, daddy. She said, Ika, hear me, daddy. She said, hear me, daddy, like you're starving and hungry. Like to play tricks, get on my plate, man. Facebook, there's a couple messages. One from my nigga, one from his pretty chick. Mean Dane with the screen name Caitlin. The message read, oh my God, is this really it? I heard from my girls, you the nigga to talk to. Heard you get about 60,000 a walk through. Heard rich girls round the country stalk you. Heard you park coops all around New York too. Now you in Phoenix, it's time to meet me. And if you lucky, might let you eat me. The nerve of you to come disturb the dude that only blow patrons and rob with my murder crew. Blow circles, feet up, legs vertical. Coming back at the drop, my driver, Mercy too. You know me, thing is I never heard of you, which makes it even better. Let's meet on the 32.
Welcome to my restaurant, Caviar Club. You're now a member. Everything's private. Enjoy.
Say, said it could hear me, daddy. She said hit me, daddy, like a starving and hungry. Get on my plate, she said hit me, daddy. She said it could hit me, daddy. She said hit me, daddy, like a starving and hungry. Like to play tricks. Get on my plate, man.
Double H.
Baby, the team got money. Hired the cook, got something in the pot for me. We in the dining room, yeah. I got a Skype honey. Table long, shorty about a half a block from me. She got up, walked to me, told me make a wish. She sat in front of me, said this gon' be your favorite dish. I said, wait, baby, if we gon' play like this, we might as well do it right. We can't play with this.
Go.
Sat her ass on my plate, tucked in my napkin.
Go.
10 seconds, had her ass bucking and scratching. Gucci bra, polo boxes, fucking in fashion. Flipped into the side, got her up and up mad quick. You see this? This how babies get made. Supermodels, nigga, my ladies is paid. The Bentley, the Gotti, the Mercedes is paid. The Hilton Holland Mansion, the drive-in maid. She told me, hit me, daddy. She said it could hit me, daddy. She said hit me, daddy, like a starving and hungry. Play tricks, get it on my plate. She said hit me, daddy. She said it could hit me, daddy. She said hit me, daddy, like a starving and hungry. Like play tricks, get it on my plate, man. The moral of the story is we both get pleased. But watch who you eat, catch throat disease. I'm usually on the block, chillin', smoking trees. I'm trying to sell a O for the price of a quarter key. I ought to be less disorderly. But the boss of me don't tolerate hostility. Shorty ride with me when I'm in the Porsche seats. Top down, music banging, of course you mean. Y'all little kids, I'm on my grown man shit. Cop art, pop charts, own land shit. Give it the mic, get the whole jam lit. I'ma show you how to get this dough and split. Roll with your boy, baby, your cash should rise up. Me eating you, that's just an appetizer. Pick the full course, don't let that surprise you. Set that ass on fire, then give you a pacifier. Blunts long burn, long term, clap the driver. Ick long burn.